Welcome to this journey of embracing nature. Achieve tranquility and balance embracing nature. Nature has a profound ability to heal and ground us. Time outdoors, reduce stress, bring clarity to mind. A walk in nature, notice the colors, sounds, textures. Nature will remind you of the beauty, simplicity of life. Immersing oneself in tranquility, beauty of nature. The gentle rustle of leaves, inhaling the fresh scent of pine. Listen to the harmonious songs of birds, stand by a serene lake. A sense of peace, this connection fosters a deep appreciation. Reminds us of simple joys, intricate wonders that nature provides. Embracing nature, reducing stress and enhancing mental well-being. Spend time outdoors for relaxation, it encourages mindfulness. Nature will improve mood, increase a sense of calm, clarity. Activities like hiking, gardening boost physical health. Connecting with nature cultivates balance, sense of accomplishment. Thanks for watching, like, share, subscribe.